I have a case from Torras. They were kind enough to send me out the U Pro case, and it says make your stand. This is the UP Pro case. This is the Torres Ostand R phone case, and it's in black. So we're just gonna unbox this and see what we get in the inside, and I'll let you know how I like about it, what I like about it. So this is the case right here. You know how well you can see that. You do get, that's the MagSafe ring. It just doesn't have the line at the bottom because it's an O for a stand, I guess. This case comes with the different color buttons, and I really like when they throw in different color buttons, so I could change the buttons from black to orange to green if I wanted to do that. This is what the case looks like. It says designed by Torras, powered by Mag. It feels and looks good. This is like a frost matte. This is like a matte almost. And I'm gonna pick up my iPhone 15 Pro Max and we're gonna place it in like so. I'm gonna give you a walk around the case. So first, let's talk about the lip. As you can see, you do get a nice size lip. So if you place this flat down on the table, you should be good to go. But like I always say, I recommend you have on a screen protector just for some better protection if you're worried about getting scratches on your phone. Then you get your power button on the side, which is nice and clicky. Like I said, these are interchangeable buttons, so you'll be able to change them with this green, orange, and blue, green and orange if you want to do that. Maybe you can find you an orange or green wallpaper, put that on and have your buttons match. At the bottom here, you get all your cutouts for your USB-C and your microphones or your speakers. Then on this side, it does say Torras. Then up here, you get nice buttons for your action button. It's nice and clicky, as you can see. No problem, and it's actually a button instead of being a cutout. I like these cases that actually make them buttons instead of cutouts. Then you get your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. Bring this over to the back, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place it flat down on the table, you should be good to go, no problems. Then you also get that kickstand, so you can use it for watching videos or watching movies, or you can use it in this angle if that is something that you're into. If you want to read something, you can use it in this angle. But this also has MagSafe. So we're going to pull over my charger. And let's see, there we go. While it's charging MagSafe. And like I always say, if you do not have a MagSafe capable wireless charger, don't fret. If you have a wireless charger, you should be able to wirelessly charge it with no problem, just like that. But now if you do not have this set up at all, then you'll be able to use your USB-C cable to plug in like old times, just like that, and you will be good to go. So I'll make sure I put a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.